Hey friends, if you wish to clear Gmail space for more Google Drive storage, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So here's the thing. Before anything else, try to clear the trash folder because you already trashed these items. Go to the trash folder on the list on the left hand side. Select this option here and then select delete forever. The next one is to clear the spam folder. Okay, go to the spam folder. Okay, this one. And then check if you really need these ones. If not, then select delete forever. Then go to the drafts folder. Check these drafts. You actually created these for a reason. And if you wish to delete them, then simply click on discard drafts after selecting all of them. Now this done, let us say I still get a lot of spammy emails from 99 acres. So search for that one here. Okay. And then select all of them by clicking on the select all button and then trash them. And again go to the trash bin and then select them and then delete them forever. This is how you can save a lot of space. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.